What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda Passport Smart Key Remote Fob. This Honda Passport key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change the key fob battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to use this emergency key to open the key fob case. I'm going to kind of hold it up here so you can see it, but while you're opening the key fob case, you really want to try to keep the buttons facing down just to help keep them in place. So taking a look at the bottom, we see these two plastic pieces that kind of look like the letter E. What I'm going to do is take my emergency key and just push it in between those two pieces and then pry up like that. And as I do that, it splits the two halves apart. And again, if you can keep your buttons facing down, it'll help keep them in place. So we'll pull the back cover off and we can see our battery right here. And you may be able to get this out with your finger, but I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and help get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. So you just kind of snap it down into that holder like that. And then we can snap the two halves back together. And if your buttons have moved around at all, you'll need to shift them back into place. But snap the two halves back together, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.